Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy EO Godwin from Side Also Delight channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can begin to make money online with doing simple tasks. So I want you to stay tuned even as I walk you through exactly how you can begin to generate passive income online. Guys, if you can click an ad, if you can click your mouse, if you can tap your phone, then surely you can begin to generate passive income online. Okay, so I want you to stay with me even as I walk you through exactly how you can begin to make money online with this website. Okay, it's a make money online idea, is a side also idea that you can implement today and begin to generate passive income online. So please make sure that you stay tuned even as I walk you through it step by step. Okay, now before I move right into the video, as you can see, here are some payment proof of this particular website to show you that it really pays. As you can see, $4, $9, $5.60, $4.60, $1.84, $3.53, and so on, guys. Now, today's date is August 27th. If you can see my date on the PC now, as you can see right here, is August 27th as at when this video is being uploaded. So there are different type of payment method that you can get paid with. You can get paid through Skrill, Neteller, Payer, Airtime, Skrill, and so on, even PayPal, okay, and even cryptocurrency. This is why it's a step-by-step guide that you can use to begin to generate passive income, because it's a worldwide method. Okay, so I want you to stay with me as I walk you through. So guys, before I move ahead to today's teaching, in case you are new to this channel, please guys do consider clicking the subscribe button like this, and also smash the like button, share, and also click the bell notification icon to receive updates whenever I upload valuable videos like this. Please be the first to like this video. All right, guys, so without further ado, I want us to get started. Okay, now this is the particular website that I want to be showing you. I want to reveal to you today. With this website, you'll be able to generate passive income online. There are different ways that you can use to make money. First, you can click an ad, you can begin to earn money, and that's it. You can begin to cash out with Skrill, Neteller, Payout, and Bitcoin, and the minimum payout here is just $2. So in case you are new to make money online, this could be your opportunity. All right, now let me show you some cool stuff about this. I don't want you to just move ahead and begin to sign up. I want to show you some stuff before you go ahead and register for an account. And I'm going to leave a bonus tip for you so that you begin to generate passive income. Now, if you love watching movies, you love playing games, this method will really work for you. Okay, so that you don't just waste your time online. You can be doing other stuff and be making money with this particular website. What I mean is that you can just click on this particular ad. Once you click on this particular ad, you can begin to do other stuff, and then you can begin to generate passive income online. All right, now let me show you. Now click on earn money. Once you click on earn money, Scarlet Grid, just go to that. Go to Scarlet Grid. Once you go to Scarlet Grid, you are going to find something like this. As you can see, these are images. Any part of this image that you click, it's an ad. Okay, it's an ad. So it's form of the game is fun, guys. So you can begin to generate passive income with this method. Now this is going to sum up. This may not be much. It may not be $50 per click, but as you can see, you can click to win up to $1. You see that? So for every click that is made, you begin to earn in cents. You earn money in cents, and that can sum up to a huge amount of money over time. All right, since you are not doing much of the work, you can begin to use this as your side also. Okay, so you can use this for some cool stuff. So any particular image you click right here on this site, you begin to make money. Let's see an example. Now, for instance, let's click on this particular place. Now I just click on that. As you can see, it said wait please. Now you just have to wait for up to like 30 seconds. Now while you are waiting, you can just be playing your games, you can just be eating your food, you can be watching movies, and that's it. As you can see, say you must log in first your account to play. So I just wanted to show you exactly how you can go about this. Okay, so it is 100% free. So it's 100% free to join, and this method works worldwide, nationwide. Now there are other bonus tips you can get from this particular website. And what are the bonus tips? Here are the bonus tips. Now in this website, I believe most of you already know about Contiplay. You know about paid vet and new box. This is a legit website, guys. They really pay you. So most of the website that promise you a $50 per click, those are scams. Okay, I want you to stay away from such website. The website that can pay you, a website that pay you little for some certain amount of click, because you are not doing any work at all. It is called PPC, pay per click. Okay, so basically, how does this website earn their money? They earn their money when when people come here to advertise. As you can see, you can click here and become an advertiser. And another thing, you can use this to promote your business. But this is actually recommended for what kind of business? Let me know in the comment section below if you know it. Guess what? I think it's CPA marketing. It's good for CPA marketing. So for one day, you can just spend 50 cents for a lot of clicks. Okay. So your ad is going to be displayed right here on this particular website for one full day for just 50 cents. So for 30 days, which is 1 month, you can spend just about $10 on this particular website. But mind you guys, this website has a downside. What's the downside? Because most of the people that are coming here, what they are interested most is how to make money. Okay, they are more interested in how to make money off of the click. So they might not view your ads like that. But mind you, some of them, they do help you. They might be interested in what you are offering. For instance, if you come to pages like this, let's click on view ads again, and let's see. If you come to pages like this, people will be interested to click what you are offering, banner ads. So if you are doing like pay-per-click offers from any CPA marketing network, this is going to help you. This can also help you. Okay, now as you can see, once you click on advertise here, you'll be prompted to make payment for advertisement. But mind you, that's not the method that we're talking about here. The method here is for you to begin to generate passive income just by doing simple tasks. Okay, so for instance, you can just be clicking any of these advertisements, and once you click on this advert, you are going to be paid. You just have to, because you'll be redirected to the next step, next page, and you have to stay there for 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds is complete, you are going to get paid as soon as possible. So it's as simple as that. So you can see this. So things like all these faucets applications, you see this. So these are some of the stuff that is going to work well for you. But I don't recommend that you advertise on this particular website, except you just need a lot of click to your website. But if you need quality traffic, this is not a quality traffic. Okay, but if you want to earn money, then this is one of the easiest way to begin to generate passive income online as a complete beginner. Now, how do you start? For you to start, you just have to click on register. Once you click on register, it's going to open up. All right, it's going to open up this page. Once it opens up this page, you just have to put in your full name, your date of birth, your username, your password. Now, this payment account, you need to be very, very careful. You need to be very, very careful, because this is where it is most important. Because if you work and you don't get paid, it's not a good experience. Okay, so as you can see, their payment method includes Payer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Scree, Airtime, Litecoin, and Dash. Okay, so make sure that any address you are putting right here is really, really correct. So all you have to do is image verification. Then you just have to type in BAQTF and agree to their terms of service, and that's it. Boom, you are good to go. Now, one of the bonus tips I want to tell you is they offer referral program. What the referral program does is that you earn money off of your referrals. Okay, now as you can see, click on ads and get paid up to such amount as you are seeing right here. up to 100% referral earning. So for referring people, you are going to earn a lot of money, and that's one of the reasons why, if you want to make money with such service like this, and you want to advertise in website like this, is also a website like this that you advertise, because people who are here are already interested in making money just by clicking ads. So once you advertise things like this, you are going to refer them, and you are going to earn a lot of money from all of those guys. All right, guys, so I hope that this method have really helped you. Thank you very much for watching. Welcome to Side Also Delight channel. Do consider clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the like button. I remain your boy E.O. Godwin, the CEO of Side Also Delight channel. There are new videos coming weekly, coming daily, so I don't want you to miss out. Please consider clicking the subscribe button until I see you on my next video. Peace.